Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Kids Planet with Urwa, where we think together, explore the universe and most of all enjoy learning. हम साइंस वर्ल्ड के टेल ऑफ द यूनिवर्स पे थे. टुडे हम यूनिट 1 के सब टॉपिक Ptolemaic मॉडल ऑफ द यूनिवर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे. This will be the last sub topic of geocentric models of the universe and then we'll be starting the new topic. इस सब टॉपिक में we will learn what Ptolemy thought of the universe. So Ptolemy ने place किया the earth को in the center of his geocentric model. उसने the data use किया he had and Ptolemy ने ये सोचा कि जो universe है वो एक set है of nested spheres जो कि all जो है surround करते हैं the earth, and he believed कि जो moon है वो orbit कर रहा था a sphere closest to the earth followed by Mercury, Venus, Sun, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and then उसने ये भी he also thought कि there was outmost sphere जहाँ पे 48 constellations थे of stars. Constellations means group. So this is what he thought. You see, Ptolemy का जो मॉडल था I have just explained, इसने रेगुलेट किया a scientific system for predicting the positions of heavenly bodies in the sky. But you see कि जब हम observe करेंगे planets को and well moon को, we'll see that at times they appear larger than at other times. For the moon उसने ये कहा कि it kind of follows a path that brings it sometimes twice as close to the earth at times than other times. For the planets, he introduced the idea of epicycles. You can see what epicycles are over here. It's like loop the loops. So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो you will see कि he thought he got this idea. Why? Because for example, if we take Mars for now, तो अगर Mars अपनी epicycle की इस जगह पे हो for now and a person from Earth observes Mars, it will appear farther than from here than if from here. If it was here, it would appear closer than if from here. So that's why he introduced the idea of epicycles. But for the moon, as I told you, he had to premise कि जो moon है वो ऐसा path follow करता है that sometimes उसको twice as close ले आता है than at other times. This meant that the moon sometimes appear करता था in twice as size at other times. Ptolemy ने perceive की this imperfection, but nevertheless जो उसका मॉडल था वो broadly accept हुआ but not cosmically. That I will explain why it was not accepted cosmically. ये मॉडल था अप्रिशिएट किया द कैथोलिक चर्च ने एज द मॉडल ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. क्यों पे ये अलाइन कर रहा था विद द स्क्रिप्चर फॉर टू रीजंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये अर्थ की जो सेंटर वाली पोजीशन थी उसको जस्टिफाई कर रहा था. सेकेंडली वो जो बाहर आफ्टर दिस आउटमोस्ट स्फीयर ऑफ 48 कॉन्स्टलेशंस ऑफ स्टार्स, आगे ये जो स्पेस बची, this space it left lots of room outside the sphere of fixed stars for heaven and hell. You see, the question that was usually asked for the Ptolemaic model was कि इस outmost sphere के बाहर क्या है. So that answered what the Catholic Church thought was heaven and hell. But इसलिए ये cosmically नहीं accept हुआ because many people thought that what is outside it, that is a question that we should know. But Ptolemy said that this is a question that cannot be answered by humanity. Before ending this video, I would like to show you a picture of Sir Claudius Ptolemy, who was a mathematician and an astronomer, and he had many contributions, but we won't be discussing them here at all. So that's gonna be all for today. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you.